Hi, my name is April Solomon, and I'm here at Claire's Art Show. This is the opening night, which is very exciting because she's got these amazing paintings, very abstract. And what I love about this piece is her use of bold color and shape and texture design. It's really captures a lot of great energy. It's very expressive and very loose, and that's also what I love about this piece is she's really just diving into the moment, not holding back, which I really admire about her work. And if you haven't come out here to see her work in Laguna Beach, please stop by the gallery and see Claire's paintings. They're absolutely insane, and they're so stunning and emotional. And so I just wanted to let you know, and yeah, please come by and see them.